Good day, class. It's me, Teacher John Ryan Saputalo, your Science 1 teacher. All right. Today's lesson: animals that live under a tree or underground. So, today we're going to learn about the animals that live under a tree or underground. But before that, okay, let's read the vocabulary. Are you ready? All right. Vocabulary. Again, vocabulary. All right. Borrow. Borrow. Nest. Nest. Dig. Dig. Hole. Hole. Soil. Soil. Underground. Underground. All right. Okay. Although we commonly see animals on trees inland, there are many animals that live underground. So, are you ready to learn it? Let's go! Now, which animals live in trees? Here we go. The first one, spider. Okay. So spider, in fact, several spiders live primarily in the trees by catching winged insects. So the spider, you can see the spider live in the trees, but there are spider that lives on the ground too. Do you agree that? All right. Next. Okay. Snake. Snake. Yes, look at the picture. Snakes live in the forest or in the trees, grassland. Some are active at night, others during a day. So, most of the snakes are active at night, and there are others during a day too. So, this kind of snakes is living on the trees. Look at the picture. Yes, I don't know what kind of snakes this, but it's a snakes. All right. Snakes eat other animals, including insects, birds, eggs, and young birds. Are you listening? Yes, the snakes eat other animals, including insects, birds, eggs, and young birds. And the next one. Okay. Woodpecker. Woodpecker. All right. Here we go. Look at this. Okay. Do you know what is this one? Yes, it's a kind of birds living on the trees. Okay. Woodpeckers are the birds making holes in the tree as to be their burrow. So they dig, or they make holes on the tree as their burrow. Okay, they don't make nest. The burrow is just like their nest. Did you follow? All right. They eat insects, grubs, spiders, tree sap, nuts, seeds, berries, fruits, and flower nectar. So that is their food. They eat insects. What else? Yes, spider too. And nuts, and seeds, berries, and fruits. Even flower nectar too. Now, this one. The monkey. Again, monkey. So do you know what is monkey? Yes. Look at the picture. Right. Okay. Now, monkey live in trees and they love to eat bananas. Look at the picture. So the monkey live in the tree and they love to eat banana. Okay. And also they eat leaves. Do you know what is leaves? All right. Flowers, yes, nuts, and insects in the wild. So not only the bananas, but they eat, or the monkey eat leaves too, flowers, nuts, and insects in the wild, and other fruits. Do you agree with that? Yes. And this one, what is that? Okay, squirrel. Again, a squirrel. All right, look at the picture. Yes, the squirrel is so cute, and they're living in the trees too. Now, favorites of the squirrel food include corn. Do you know what is corn? Yes. Mushrooms, squash, and broccoli. So that is the favorite food of the squirrel. What else? What is it? What is the favorite food of the squirrel? Yes, the corn, mushrooms, squash, and broccoli. All right. And they also enjoy apples and oranges and avocados. But the special fruits or food of the squirrel is the nut. Okay. All right. Dormouse. Again, dormouse. Okay. Look at this. A cute little one. Dormouse, it spend most of its time climbing among tree branches in search of food. So it spend it most time climbing among tree branches for searching food. And what about this one? The sloth. Again, sloth. Again, sloth. All right. Look at the picture. Okay, have you seen this one? Yes, I know. Because there's a lot of like this animal in the forest. This one is noted for their slowness of movement. It means so lazy. Okay? Lazy animals. And they spend most of their lives hanging upside down in the trees of the tropical rainforest. So, this kind of animals, they spend their lives, most of their lives, hanging upside down in the trees. Okay? And now, so which animals live underground? So the first one is the animals live under the trees or in the trees. Now we're going to learn about the animals live underground. Are you ready? All right. First one. Okay. The rat. Again, rat. Do you know what is this one? Look at the picture. Yes, you're correct. This kind of animals is a common animals. You can find it everywhere, even at home. Now, rats create underground pathways or burrows from their nest to food sources and to escape predators. So not only for storing food to their nest, and also they use it to hide or to escape predators. Okay? All right. This one. Okay, the fox. Fox. All right. Look at this. Yes. The same with the rat. The fox too. Yes. Burrowing underground. Now, they make their homes by digging burrows in the ground. Did you understand? Yeah. They make their homes by digging burrows, so the fox is living underground. Okay. And these burrows, also called dens, provide a cool area to sleep and a good location to store food. The same with the rat. Not just only the nest or burrows. So they use it for their food, storing food. Okay. Now this one. The groundhogs. Okay, again, groundhogs. Alright. Look at this. Okay, it's look like a rabbit. But it's not the same with the rabbit. Look at its hand or the legs. Yeah. It's look like a monster. Now, also known as woodchucks or ground squirrel. So the same with the squirrel. But this one is the squirrel is living in the trees, and this one is living underground. And these animals enjoy digging and have deep, intensive burrow systems. Okay. Ant. Ant. Okay, look at the picture. Yes, they're very tiny. As you can see, they love to dig and they love to live underground. Now, ants live and build nests in underground and above ground areas. So, not only underground, in the underground, but you can see it everywhere, in the trees, in the plant, and even in your house. Now, this one, the moles. Moles. Okay, look at this. Okay, a blind animals. Their digging motion resembles swimming strokes. Okay, imagine that you're swimming. The motion or the position of your hands like this. It's like you're swimming. That the moles resemble swimming stroke when they're digging. Okay, when they're making holes or they're making nest. Yes, and they have small beady eyes that are virtually blind. Look at the picture. Yes, as you can see, there's no eye, but it has an eye, but a small one. Okay, and this one, the rabbit. Okay, rabbit. Okay, look at the picture. They're very cute. Rabbits spend much of the day in their burrow and come out at night to find food. So, in during the day, the rabbits is sleeping or hiding in the burrows, but they come out during at night to find their food. All right. And this one, the chipmunks. Again, chipmunks. All right. Look at this one. It's look like a squirrel. Okay, the same face. It's look like a rabbit or a squirrel, but this one is the chipmunks. Chipmunks, they have thick pouches to carry food to their burrows for storage. Okay, look at the chicks. So they're using their cheek pouch to carry food to their burrows for storage. And the burrowing owl. Okay, burrowing owl. Okay, look at this. Yes, most of the birds are flying and building nests in the trees, but this one is hiding underground. This kind of owl, they are one of the smaller types of owls, and they only type to create nest underground, just like I tell you. And they often occupy abandoned holes by other animals. So if they find a holes, so they occupy the abandoned holes by other animals. And this one, the mongoose. Again, mongoose. Look at this. Yes, this one is living underground too. They normally create their burrows near termite mounds, their main food source. So they normally create their burrows or their nest underground in the termite mounds near. And this one is the pocket gophers. Again, pocket gophers. Look at the picture. Yes, it's look like a rabbit, but it has small ears. The pocket gophers live in woodlands, grass, and underground, and sometimes they even share their tunnels or their burrows with other animals. So these animals is a helpful animals because these animals sharing their burrows or their tunnels to the other animals to live underground. And I hope you learned a lot of our topic, and this is our activity. Now, don't forget to write your name, section, level, and number. Match the names of the underground animals into the right picture. All you need to do is to write a line and match the names into the right picture. You understand? All right. And that's it for today. Bye bye.